Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. G-TING pot rack organizers, 8 tiers pots and pans organizer for kitchen organization and storage, adjustable pot lid holders and pan rack for kitchen, lid organizer for pots and pans with 3 DIY methods. Square root, adjustable tiers. This pan rack organizer comes with 8 adjustable tiers. You can install the pan organizer according to the size of your pots and pans. No matter how big your pot is, it can still fit into your pot organizer. Help you more convenient to organize kitchen storage. Square root, 3 DIY methods. This kitchen rack has 3 DIY methods. You can install 8 tiers at both sides, or just install 4 tiers at one side. You can place the pot rack in the way you like organizer for kitchen organization and storage. Square root, easy to install. How easy to install this pot organizer? Even a little kid can install the pot holder in a couple minutes. All essential parts of the pantry kitchen organizer is in the box. Square root, solid construction. This cookware kitchen organizer made by heavy-duty iron with black spray painting. It is very firm and elegant. Solid triangular design, which is more stable and less likely to fall. Thanks for watching and subscribe.